Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Raddish Kids subscription. Okay, so first of all, before cancellation start, I want to tell you they have a policy. If you want to cancel your subscription, then you need to read this policy. Okay, so this policy says if you are a Raddish member and billed for following the end of their subscription term between 26th and 28th of the month, your renewal date is listed in your account portal. So first of all, you need to check your renewal date. Okay, and you need to provide at least 2 or 3 days notice period, and then you can cancel your subscription. Otherwise you have to pay some kind of fees. Okay, so how you can cancel? Basically you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in, you need to navigate membership page, and once you are on the membership page, you need to click on update and then click on edit on the right side, and then you can cancel your my renewal on the right side. Okay, and choose your cancellation reason and then click continue. And there is a very specific note that is for prepaid plans, like members are on a 3-month, 6-month and 12-month plan will continue to receiving kits until the end of current prepaid billing period. Refunds are not issued in mid-term. Okay, so basically these are the policies, and by using this way you can easily cancel your Raddish subscription, Raddish Kids subscription. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.